Hello friends, welcome to DSA Progress channel. Today we'll be solving pattern 2 problem. So pattern 2 problem states that given an integer n, you need to recreate the pattern given below for any value of n. Let's say for n is equal to 5, the pattern should look like as below. As in, if it says 5, the first line should have 1 star, second line should have 2 stars, third line 3, fourth line 4 stars, fifth line 5 stars. So let's solve this problem. We'll use nested for loop here also. So for the logic would be initialize a variable I to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. This is the outer loop. Outer loop is to specify how many number of lines we are about to consume. In the inside for loop decides how many stars to print per line. So I would say j is equal to 0. J will give it I because j, so for the first line we have to print 1 star. So I for first line j is 0, j is less than or equal to I, j plus plus system dot out dot print the star. So we have printed the star. Now we have to print a new line after every line. So we would be printing back slash n to print a new line. Let me check. So for j, for I, when I is 0, it would print 1 star. When I becomes 1, it would print 0 and 1 2 stars until it reaches n. So let me submit this and let me run this code. So all the test cases passed. Let me submit this code. Okay, all the 22 cases have passed. Thank you, friends.